Welcome to FoolyFun. Come on, let's play. I'm going to be cooking today. Make sure you're old enough to cook and always ask your parents for permission. Never cook by yourself. My mommy's helping me. Hi, look at all these fruit. I'm going to eat a yummy dinner. And we're going to do a taste test of all that and that. So I got 3 bell peppers, 1 yellow, 1 orange, 1 red. And I got eggs too, and spinach. And we got some healthy onions that Mommy cut up. So let's start. I'm sawing hard vegetables like a saw. It's nighttime actually, and I don't know where Daddy is. All done, so let's pour it. That's it. Look in there. So here's the eggs. Next up. Whoa. Just a little messy. Ew. Next one. Is there an eggshell? No, it's not an eggshell. Oh, wash my hands.
Wash your hands.
Oh, okay. I'm an adult. Turn on the stove for you. Here we have a pat of butter. So let's cook it. Bam! Oh no.
Into the skillet.
Get a spatula and make sure the butter melts. It's melting. All right, it's melting. It's melting, it's melting, it's melting. Keep stirring so it doesn't burn. Look at that butter oil. One piece has gone away. Ah, the other one is gone. Almost. The other one is gone. Almost. The butter's all gone. Keep stirring. Keep stirring it round and round. Keep stirring it round and round. Stir it around. Stir it around, stir it around, stir it around. Okay, while it's cooking, we're going to whisk the eggs with the fork.
Do it like this. Lay the fork flat and go in an oval. But really fast. Go ahead. Very good. Keep doing it. Very good. Very good.
I'm doing it side to side, oval. Well, still cooking. Ooh, look at this. It almost looks like butter melted.
Yeah. Ask your friends if they know what these are.
Do you know what those are? They're wigs, dry wigs.
These are figs.
I thought they were wigs. Let's try a taste.
Let's see inside. Wow. Awesome.
Uh-oh, one is black. Okay, now it's time to put in the spinach.
Pour it all in.
It looks like a lot, but it's going to cook down. Oh, did you see that?
Yeah.
Bell pepper and onion.
Yummy.
It's cooking down. Quickly. Let's stir it. See how much it was? Ooh, look at that side. It's all shiny. Now let's dust it up. Now it's all dirty. Now it's all shiny. Now it's all dirty. Now it's all funny. Did you think that was good?
Yeah, that's funny. You're very funny.
Look this. So let's put this in. Hold, before it drips. Mommy got the rest of the eggs out of the bowl. Oh, it's turning very well. See it flattening into pieces? We're having the cheese ready. Can I have some of the taste, please? Put the stuff on top of it. Okay, pour your cheese in. Just a little. This much. Oh no, it's all done. It just needs salt. It's all done almost. Stir it. So it's all done. And then pick it up.
Put it on a plate.
Wow. So strong. Oh, it's so heavy.
heavy and hot, huh?
Yeah.
Gotta be very careful.
Yeah, don't touch it, guys. It will burn you.
That's right.
Daddy! This is delicious. Very good. I made it very good. This is delicious. Delicious, licious, licious. What a healthy breakfast right now. Oh, so yummy. Can't wait to taste it again tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom.
Abigail, you have to make your own.
Ah! Hey, so funny. Got tricked. Wow, that looks really good, Rafael.
Yeah, I made it good.
Did you make it on your own?
Yeah, Mommy showed me.
That's great.
Subscribe for more videos. I hope to play with you next time. Click on my other videos to watch them. Come back for more adventures.